Have you ever seen funny words or expressions in English, but you couldn't understand what they meant? It's necessary to study them in context. I'm here to help. I'm John, and today we're going to study interesting vocabulary in English. Daydreamer. Mark and Lisa are in class. They're talking about their friend, Tim. Lisa, have you noticed Tim in class lately? You mean how he's always staring out the window? Yes, exactly. It's like he's in his own little world all the time. I wonder if he actually sees anything outside. He probably just finds his own thoughts more interesting than this class. This material really isn't so interesting. I've seen you do that sometimes too. You daydream sometimes. I've noticed. I've always been a daydreamer, but not like Tim. Quiz time! What does daydreamer mean? Someone who dreams at night, loses focus during important moments, cannot remember their dreams, does not dream. Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's B. Someone who loses focus during important moments. Teaching moment. A daydreamer is someone who often loses focus and starts fantasizing or thinking about other things, even when they should be focused on more important things. A daydreamer dreams during the day. There is no special word for a person who dreams at night. A dreamer is not about dreaming at night. This describes a person with a lot of hopes for a different reality. Examples. Sarah is such a daydreamer. She can stare out the window and get lost in her thoughts for hours. Even in the busiest meetings, you can spot Mike staring into the distance. What a daydreamer! Daydreamers often have creative and imaginative minds, despite seeming unfocused at times. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. Have you noticed? Have you realized? Staring. Watching and not moving. I wonder. I'm curious. You can spot. You can see. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.